Now let us see the poetic devices of this poem. First of all, we will see rhyming words. Now what is meant by rhyming words? Rhyming words of the stanza are the words having same ending sound. These words are used to make the poem rhythmic and pleasant. Let us find out the rhyming words in this poem. In the first stanza, we have cloud word which rhymes with the word crowd. Both words have same ending sound, that is d. D sound is similar. Cloud, crowd. D sound is repeated. Let us see some more. Hills rhymes with daffodils. Trees rhymes with breeze. Now let us see rhyming scheme of this stanza. Rhyming scheme is the order in which rhyming words are placed at the end of the lines in a poem. Let us understand it better. To figure out the rhyme scheme of the stanza, mark A for the last word of the first line. If the last word of the second line ends with the same sound of the last word of the first line, mark A again. If it doesn't have same sound, mark with B. If the end sound of the last word of the third line matches with the previous last word's ending sound, mark with the same letter. For example, if word end sound matches with the last word end sound of first line, mark A. Or if it matches with the last word's end sound of second line, mark with B. If not, then mark with C. As you go through a stanza, you will notice a pattern of rhyming words. That pattern will be rhyming scheme of the stanza. Now let us see the rhyming words and rhyming scheme of the first stanza. Mark A for the last word of the first line, cloud. In the second line, hills doesn't have same ending sound with the cloud, so mark with B. In the third line, has same end sound with the last word of the first line, cloud. So here cloud and crowd are the rhyming words. Therefore, mark with the same letter A. The last word of the fourth line, daffodils, rhymes with hills. So mark with the same letter B. The last word of the fifth line, trees, doesn't rhyme with the previous words. So we will use C letter for this new word. The last letter of the sixth line, breeze, rhymes with last word of the fifth line, trees. Hence, we will use C again. Now we have a complete rhyme scheme of this stanza. That is A, B, C, C. Students, all stanzas of this poem follow the same rhyming scheme. Look at the second stanza. First of all, we will find out the rhyming words. In this stanza, the rhyming words are shine, line, way, bay, glance, dance. Now let's find out rhyming scheme. First of all, mark with A at the end of the line for the word shine. The last word of the second line, way, doesn't rhyme with the last word of the first line, that is shine. Hence, here we will mark with B. Word line rhymes with word shine. So we will use same letter, that is A. Last word of the fourth line, bay, rhymes with the last word of the second line, ways. Therefore, we will use B. Glance rhymes with the word dance. So here we will use the same letter C. Now let us see the rhyming scheme of this stanza, that is AB, AB, CC. It is similar to the first stanza. Now let us have third stanza. We'll find first rhyming words. They rhymes with gay. Glee rhymes with company. Thought rhymes with brought. So the rhyming pairs are they, gay, glee, company, thought, brought. Now let us see a rhyming scheme. To figure out rhyming scheme, mark A for the first line, last word they. Glee doesn't rhyme with they, hence we will mark with B. K rhymes with they, so we will write A again. Company rhymes with glee, therefore we will use the same letter B. Thought rhymes with brought, here we will write C. Now we have a rhyming scheme of this stanza, that is AB, AB, CC. Now look at the third stanza. First of all, find out rhyming words. Lie rhymes with I. Mood rhymes with solitude. Fails rhymes with daffodils. So the rhyming pairs are lie, I. Mood, solitude. Fails, daffodils. Now let us see the rhyming scheme of this stanza. First of all, we will write A at the last word, lie. The last word of the second line, mood, doesn't rhyme with the last word of the first line, so we will mark with B. The last word of the third line, I, rhymes with the last word of the first line, lie, hence we will use A. Solitude rhymes with mood, therefore we will use B. Fields and daffodils are the rhyming word, so we will use same letter C. Now let us see the rhyming scheme of this stanza. AB, AB, CC. By the observation, you will realize that the whole poem follows the same rhyming scheme, that is AB, AB, CC. So students, will stop here. We will see figure of speech of this poem in the next video. Till then, thank you.